Hi everyone, it's Kylie from Paintwing. In today's video, I'm going to be showing a little behind the scenes on a new series I've been working on. I really enjoy working on painting series. For a small painting series, I'll usually create 6 to 10 pieces that fit a certain theme. In this video, I'll be showing some of the process of a farm animal series I've been working on. I've done a farm animal series before. I actually created one about this time last year. All of the paintings I'll be painting today will be on 12 by 16 inch paper. I've been really liking the size lately. It's a little bit larger than 11 by 14, but it's not too large. You might have already guessed, but the first animal I'll be painting is a goat. I'm going to start off by creating some textured washes on the head of the goat, and then after that wash dries, I'm going to go in with some details. And I'm almost complete with the goat. And then here's the final painting. And next I'll be painting the sheep. The sheep's one of my favorite paintings out of the series. I really enjoyed creating the curly texture of its fur. I also decided to leave a lot of white space on this painting. The white space helps convey the light airiness of the sheep's wool. After creating the loose washes and textured marks, I'm going to go in and add details to the face. Alright, and then there's the final result of the sheep. And then next I'll be painting a pig. I'm going to start off with the detailed eye and then start making a wash for the body. For this pig painting, I ended up using two different reference photos. I used one mainly for the body position, and then one for the head. I also ended up making up some parts on the painting as well, such as the spots and brightening up the pink color on the pig. For the pig's pink color, I'll mainly be using Rose de Ray by Winsor & Newton and then Burnt Umber. I'm going to start filling in the ears. And then while the pink wash is still wet, I'm going to dab in some brown spots. And then after the wash is dry, I'm going to go back in and add some details. I'm also going to create some spots using a wet on dry technique instead of the wet on wet technique I used earlier. I really like mixing the two different techniques to create contrast within my paintings. Alright, and then here's the final painting of the pig. I think he turned out pretty cute. And then lastly, I'll be showing how I painted a cow. For this painting, I'll be doing a black and white cow. On this painting, I'll be adding a slight background. I'm adding some green that'll sort of represent a green pasture behind the cow. And then after that green background dries, I'm going to start working on the cow's ears. And now I'm creating the cow's pink nose. I won't have any tutorials on the pieces I created today, but I do have a cow and a horse tutorial on my Patreon account. And I also just added a rooster a few days ago. For the cow spots, I'm going to sort of abstract them a little bit. I'm not really following a reference photo for this process, I'm just making them up as I go. Alright, and then there's the final results of the cow. And then next I'll be showing all the completed pieces for the series. So here's my sheep again. And then my goat. And then here's a rooster portrait. I really liked how this one turned out. This one I have a full tutorial on Patreon. And then here's the cow. And then the piglet once again. And here's a few other farm related pieces I created. So I have this bunny right here. and then I have a little chick coming out of an egg. If you like the chick coming out of the egg, I do have a full tutorial of that on YouTube. And I also painted this horse recently as well. Alright, and that's about it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any suggestions for future videos, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye now.